Hello friends, welcome to my channel. After a long time, I'm making a Power BI video. So today I am showing how we can use the text string function, which is blank. So how to use the blank function? It is a very simple function, but we do not know how to use it in a day-to-day routine. So here you can see I am showing one table. So in this data, let us first create one new column. You can create a column uh, from the menu bar as well, or you can click it from right click and then have a new column. So here what we want to do is we have two columns. One is the quantity and one is the price. So we want to know what is the price of the item per quantity. What is the per quantity item is purchased. So it is a simple formula we use, that price of from a transaction table, because this is in a transaction table, price of a transaction table divided by what is the quantity in the same transaction table. So simply it will let us know what is the per quantity price. So what is the blank function is, suppose in the quantity, if the quantity purchased is 0, and anything we divide by the 0, it comes to the infinity. Like suppose for example, if in a calculator I show 100 divided by 0, it will come to cannot be divided by 0. So this, so suppose if there is a 0 in this quantity column and we do not want 0 to come here or any error to come here, what we can use is the blank function. So how we will use, so now we have to use the if logical function. So we will input the if the transaction quantity is equal to 0, then put blank, otherwise or divide the price by quantity. So this is the simple formula of using the blank functions. If there would be a 0 in the quantity field, then it would have come as a blank row, not as a infinite row. So this is the very small video, and I hope you like it. If you like, please like, share and subscribe. I have posted some of the more videos in for Power BI content. Do watch it and take care. Have a good day. Bye bye.